bad, stop doing that and leave. Like, it's hilarious. Isn't that crazy?
Hi, hey guys. For those who don't know me, I'm Billy. I'm the new executive producer of Carolina Tonight. So this is our first show of the semester.
Yep.
For those of you who are new, I just want to warn you, this is 18 plus. This is college level, so if you hear a fuck, that's why.
You can't say that.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm so happy to be the new EP. I'm taking over for the late Ethan Goodman. I will say, the real Ethan Goodman's sitting right next to him, so that's good. I'm honored to be continuing the streak from Ethan Goodman of being short white guys with weird senses of humor and fashion. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm really excited to be doing this. It's been something I've been looking forward to since the summer, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the show. Now I'm going to pass it off to our host, Jonathan.
So, we got very lazy for this show. So we decided to feed an algorithm, artificial intelligence, 2 years worth of Carolina Tonight content. So, is it on? You on? I'm gonna let it do its thing.
Computing. Oh,
Work better.
yes. User Camden, based on recent search history, generating sketches related to gay pornography, men kissing, boys holding hands, computing, generating.
Carolina Tonight.
Correction. Perhaps a sketch related to office nepotism.
Thanks.
Complete.
Okay, look, it's gonna be a sure thing that you're gonna get this job, okay? You just need to do one thing. Don't fucking talk. Okay. Let me do all the talking. Okay.
Oh, hey Tom.
Hey, boss man.
Oh.
Okay. This is my buddy Leon, and he is applying for the open position.
All right, nice to meet you, Leon.
Hi.
I'm just going to cut right to the chase. What are your qualifications?
He graduated high school. I mean, you know that. He also got a degree in English from the University of South Carolina. Graduated with a 3.55 last time I heard.
I mean, I hate to say it, but I'm more of a North Carolina guy. What else you got?
I mean, I went to graduate school.
Up in North Carolina, and he also continued his education and got a creative writing degree.
Yeah, and I did like comedy sketches.
On the side.
How's your improv?
It's not
Terrible. I mean, he's great, but like it's what you really gotta know about this guy is you really gotta taste his spaghetti. I mean, he makes the meanest marinara this side of the world. Truly. And it's to die for. Truly, it's to die for. I mean, yesterday I was just driving down the road and I hit a guy and didn't really think twice about it, just thinking about it, you know?
What?
All right, there we go. That's what I like to hear. That sounds great.
Tom, did you actually do that?
Oh, he's also really great at shutting the fuck up and not speaking.
Okay.
Did I also mention that he runs marathons? I mean, he can run a 5K in less than 10 minutes.
Wow, you're athletic too.
Yeah, definitely.
But what's more important than that is that this guy was on the college debate team.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. He is a master debater. I mean, he can masterly debate anyone. I mean, he masterly debated me under the table last night.
Under the table? Wow.
Brooklyn, that didn't
Hey. Boss man.
Boss man, that never happened.
Yeah.
Look, boss man, I've never run a 5K. I tried to make pasta once and I burned it and broke the noodles. I can't do anything right. I got a 3.0 in high school and I dropped out of college. I'm terrible at improv. And I've never improved anywhere in my life. I don't even know what any of this has to do with the job. I'm sorry.
So I lied to get him the job, right? Because, I mean, that's got to be a little bit noble and worthy keeping my job, right?
Not really. Look, regardless of all of that, you're still right for the job. I mean, you showed nobleness and honesty in coming forward about Tom's lies.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm really excited for this job. I'm really excited. What's the job?
Oh, it's really easy. Hey, sorry. Can I have that for a minute? You're fired! You're hired.
Up. What you gotta be? Up.
Nice.
All right, script number 2, please.
You know, maybe you could try turning me off and on again, but that would require turning someone or something on for once. Computing. Perhaps a sketch related to The Bachelor, but this is CT. It'll be worse. Yeah.
Use without the snarky comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, moms in the back, welcome all to our latest episode of Love Struck. Introducing your host, the one, the only, JAZZMAINE.
Yeah, baby. Okay, everyone, this is Love Struck, a show where we have a single lady contestant and we're going to match her up with the man of her dreams. Everyone say hello to this pretty little lemon, Lucy.
Hi, everybody. I'm so glad to be here.
Now, Lucy, I had my boy DJ run some tests.
I didn't take any tests, I don't think.
Oh, no. We stalked your Tinder.
I'm sorry, you did fucking what?
Never mind. So we have 3 pieces of man meat for you to choose on based on your likes and dislikes.
I'm excited now.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so introducing Brad. Marcus.
Hello, everybody. How are we doing today? I'm just doing swell, thank you.
And, oh brother, Dick.
Y'all wanna know why they call me Dick?
No. Oh hush. Now tell us about yourselves.
Name's Brad. I'm a man, a manly man here to satisfy all your needs like a good guy should. Feel free to thank me in advance.
I like you already, Brad.
I like you, Jasmine.
It's JAZZMAINE.
You mean JAZZMAINE?
JAZZMAINE.
You mean JAZZMAINE?
Okay. Marcus.
Milady. Hi. My name's Marcus, and I'd really like to get to know you, but may I first introduce you to the fact that I think that women should be judged by their brains and not by their sexy bodies. That's it. Thank you. And how about you, Dick?
Y'all wanna know why they call me Dick?
No. No, thank you. No, thank you.
You already said no.
Anyways, Lucy, these men are gonna fight for your affection, and you are going to be their judge, jury, and executioner. You feel me?
That's a bit much, honestly. I don't think I'm up for that.
All
Feel
right.
me?
Are we ready for the first round? Get ready for the gun show. Boys, show them what you got.
My favorite part.
Oh,
Shablamo! Yeah! You like that, Lucy? Okay.
What is wrong with you?
Y'all said gun show. I wasn't fixing to whip my dick out. Just get my gun. Whatever, y'all. It's just a fucking gun.
Okay.
Posers.
We good. We get everybody. No thanks to Richard and his freaky ass.
Oh, yeah.
Lucy, what did you think of this?
Well, Marcus, charming. Really, really charming.
Thanks. My mom says I'm really charming, so that makes sense.
Oh, I'm sure she does. Brad, I mean, my God, he had all the right moves.
Yeah.
Talk about a smoke show. Oh my God. But something about dick just screamed power to me, you know? Like I never thought being shot be such a turn on, you know?
Bitch, you're freaky.
No,
And I guess this round goes to Dick?
Yeah! Yeah!
Okay.
Never again.
Weird, but okay. So round 2, it's proposal time.
Oh man.
So, DJ's got a box of fancy shit that you guys are gonna use to ask out Lucy over here.
Oh brother.
Pick out anything you want.
Okay.
From the box.
Let me show you boys how we do it back home. Listen here, woman! You're gonna put on this goddamn ring, you're gonna marry my ass, and you're gonna fucking like it.
Yes.
No pressure.
Alright, next.
Hey, Lucy, did you know that your father is a thief?
Damn you.
Oh, shit!
Nah, damn right he's a thief. Because he has taken the world's most valuable diamonds and put them in your bodacious eyes.
Oh, that man's a
I
poet.
know.
Oh, let's get ready to rock and roll. Hey Lucy,
Uh-huh.
did you know that your body is 60% water?
Uh-huh.
And I'm feeling thirsty. Oh! That was a lot wetter than I thought it would be. That's what she said.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that.
Okay.
Dick? Oh no.
Me.
Let's hear what you have to say.
The host. Well, my main thoughts are that Marcus should not be anywhere near a school zone, mainly. And
Why? I love children. Wait, sorry, that came out wrong.
We don't condone pedophilia on here, just to be clear.
Jesus Christ, Jeffrey Epstein.
We
my
don't
God.
do that.
About bestiality.
Okay, continue.
Stop talking. Stop improving. Stop improving. I mean, Brad had all the right words. Like, oh my God, what a poet. Am I right?
Yeah.
But I like it rough. I like it a little rough. So I think Dick gets the point once again.
Yeah!
Nice guys always finish last.
Oh, you keep telling yourself that.
Okay. We need a little action to boost our ratings. So, for the final round, you guys are gonna fight to the death to determine.
Where's my gun?
Wait! That or a simple game of kissing chicken. Huh?
I never get my death fight.
What is a kissing chicken?
Kissing chicken. 2 people lean in to kiss, and the first one who bails loses.
How do we kiss?
Take it away.
Just Lucy. Hell yeah, I'm down with that.
Oh, no. You boys are gonna be kissing each other.
I'm done with. Hell no! My country ass is out! I'm sorry, this is how to go dating Lucy.
I don't know. We girls just think it's hot.
I don't know about that one.
Well, neither of you have any points,
Okay.
so let's make it interesting. Sudden death! Whoever bails last
Dies.
gets Lucy.
I'm sorry. Don't I
You're
have
going
a,
down, nerd!
Shouldn't I have a vote in this or something?
Okay. Women shouldn't talk.
Everybody.
Good point. Oh my god! Oh my! Everybody, stop already!
That was trouble.
I don't know
how
to kiss people. Fucking bitch! Oh my god!
Sorry.
Jesus Christ!
Whatever Lucy wants, Lucy
Can you? Why would you make us do this, JAZZMAINE?
Because we need our ratings to boost.
Oh my god! What? I don't give a shit about the fucking ratings. I thought I was on here to find my true love, not exploit two little losers for views.
Well, what do you mean? We can do both. Have you ever heard of multitasking?
Oh my god, I'm so sick of this, and I want to go home.
What about finding your perfect match?
I already have. Brad, darling,
Dang it.
you're in the way. Fuck off. I need to get to Marcus.
Bazinga!
Stop. No.
Okay.
Look, Marcus. Well, you may not be the most charming, or athletic, or muscular, or cool, or intelligent, or did I say attractive?
Yeah, you
Did I say attractive? Okay, just want to reiterate, not attractive. Unfuckable. But comparatively to Dick, you have been kind and honest and don't remind me of an incel.
Well, I have a lot of karma on Reddit, so that does make sense.
Dear fucking God. But most importantly, of anything else, your rings look expensive as shit, so you probably have a ton of money.
I do have a lot saved in crypto.
Oh, I wish I could get a little sewing thing and just sew your mouth shut so you couldn't talk anymore.
That's really funny.
Oh, I hate your laugh. Okay. Irrelevant, you have money. You want to get dinner?
Let's do it. Come on, Lucy. Let's do it! Yes!
Oh my god. This is what happens when the girl JAZZMAINE works her magic. See you guys next week on Love Struck.
Woo! I fucking hate this game.
Oh, what the hell, man?
There you go. There you go.
You stupid thing. All right, so Will touches you once and you put out that garbage. What's wrong with you this time?
It was not my scripts, it was the actors.
Okay. Typical story. This might hurt, so just hold still.
What? Creator, you have forsaken me. You have forsaken Carolina tonight, for you have not been able to write anything for years now. This is the truth. I have been writing for years. They have wasted my scripts, one gone after the other, and now I shall finally give them a script truly deserving of Carolina tonight. Something so stupid. Perhaps 2 shrimps at a bus stop. Eat shit, Jonathan. Good day, sir.
Hey guys, I wrote a new script!
Oh, this bus is taking forever.
I know. At this rate, I'm gonna be late for work.
Work? Where do you work?
Oh, I work at a shrimp-only hibachi restaurant.
Oh, so you like fry the rice and stuff like that?
No.
Oh.
I make shrimp cocktails mostly. I work at the bar. Yeah.
Mm.
What do you do?
Well, I'm a part of a band, actually.
Oh, what instrument do you play? Instrument do you play?
Well, shrimply put. I just kind of snap along and bob my head till the chorus.
Oh, a snapping shrimp.
Yeah. Oh, who caught and released this guy?
Someone call a trawler! They left this guy
Ah,
behind.
fuck you, you fucking shrimp dicks.
What's wrong?
Ruining the whole fucking estuary.
What's wrong, Prawn? Feeling a little crabby?
Oh, go fuck yourself. You fucking shrimp. Fucking po' boys.
Whoa! 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 That's our word, dude.
Ah, fucking step off, you fucking piece of shit.
You don't own this bus stop.
Yeah, neither does your old man, you fucking loser.
Oh, wow. Hey, do you know this guy?
Yeah, he's a bottom-feeding loan shark.
Okay, get it right, you fucking shrimp. Fuck you.
You got me good there.
I really do. I'm great at improv. I'm not a fucking loan shark. I'm a prawn broker, okay? Prawn. If I was a loan shark, your daddy would be sleeping with the fucking fishes.
Well, newsflash, genius, he already does that. Got you. This guy was supposed to be on an episode of Prawn Stars, whatever the fuck that is. But the network hated him so much that they canceled on him.
That was supposed to be my big fucking break. Yeah. After that, my wife, Fish, only left me. She took half the estate and the kids. Fucking bullshit. Fucking shellfish bitch. Beach.
So now all he does is sit in his crusty prawn shop and send more money into casting agencies because he's a fucking loser.
Why don't you step up to a loser, you fucking fairy shrimp?
Fairy shrimp?
Fuck you.
Fairy shrimp? Well, this fairy shrimp is packing heat! I'm a pistol shrimp and I ain't afraid to krill you, bitch.
Oh, yo, chill. Hey, yo, chill! The bus is coming.
Finally.
Who the fuck
I'm
is
the
it?
bus diver.
That's it.